So why do we need offshore surveying? Well, there are many good reasons for that. We need resources from deep within that are crucial to our civilization, like crude oil, natural gas, and various minerals. In addition, we have to know what lies beneath the water so that our cargo ships can navigate safely. And then we carry out various scientific studies of ocean water and marine geology. In addition to that, we study the marine habitat so that we can safely carry out fishing activities that feed the world. Furthermore, we humans are energy hungry and we are just starting to learn how to harness offshore wind and wave energy. In conclusion, we need to construct ports and harbors, do some leisure boating, carry out some environmental studies to understand climate change and how marine ecology is impacted. But the priority is oil and gas. We need energy, and crude oil as of now is the most energy dense material that we can find. Every one of us is using crude oil or petroleum product every day in our life. Do you know that there are over 6,000 products that we use in our modern life is made out of petroleum byproducts? Now some of you might want to stop the crude oil production and usage. I feel for you. I'll say that you think that you are entitled.
How dare you?
Crude oil is irreplaceable as of now. Our society and you sitting on the road right now are going to starve if we stop extracting crude oil. So to get the crude oil, we first need to know where to find it in the vast ocean, right? For that purpose, we need some mammoth seismic survey vessels. These vessels tow a lot of acoustic sensors long behind them, and they send a very low frequency pulse in the water. The low frequency sound pulse can penetrate deep into the soil and return the echo back to the sensors. By looking at those echoes, we can make a fair estimate where lies an oil reserve. Next, we need to carry out a shallow seismic bathymetry survey to know the seabed depth, what lies on the seabed, and what is the composition of the soil up to about 100 meter deep. This is very important as drilling rigs need to be there on site and drilling into the soil till the depth of oil or gas reserve. Furthermore, we carry out detailed geophysical survey of the area where the oil extraction platforms and pipelines will be installed. This survey is very important for the installer, and depending on the geophysical survey, they can decide the exact position where the platform will be installed and by which route to lay the pipelines. Now to carry out bathymetry, shallow seismic and geophysical survey, we can use various manned vessels, big to small, depending upon the depth of the area and convenience. Many times we also use unmanned underwater and overwater vessels to carry out independent survey. We also use fixed-wing aircraft, drones and remote vehicles (ROV) to reach difficult places for surveying. So next time you go out to fill your car's tank with fuel or go to a shop to buy a jar of Vaseline and a toothbrush, think about us, surveyors, who work day and night far out at sea just for your convenience. I hope this small video helped you understand a little bit about offshore surveying. Please share this video with your friends. Don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions.